My name is Dr. Hillel Mazansky, and I'm coming to you today from La Jolla, California. I specialize in medical hypnosis, guided imagery, nutrition, and exercise, my mantra being how to live a longer, happier, healthier life. Today, instead of doing a single topic as a health tip, I thought it might be beneficial for all to do a potpourri of health tips. This information is gleaned on and offline, as well as from some of the highly respected medical journals, peer reviewed in the United States. So we will begin. First of all, eating fish is extremely beneficial as it protects the heart and the brain. For a healthier looking skin, fruits and vegetables with high vitamin C content and olive oil are beneficial. 3. Stress is known to cause premature aging and increase in forgetfulness. Stress is also the basic root of all our physical and psychological illnesses. Drinking sodas can increase a female's chance of developing osteoporosis, especially after the age of 40. Drinking sodas with sugar are a no-no as far as obesity is concerned, especially the childhood variety. Dark chocolate is heart healthy, and the higher the percentage cacao, the better it is. Example, a 70% cacao is better than a 60%. All you have to eat is 7 grams of dark chocolate every day after your main meal. You should have the blood test called CRP, called C-reactive protein. This will tell the physician if there's any inflammation or activity going on in your body. You should exercise for a minimum of 45 minutes, and exercise at least 6 times a week. Slowly you increase the exercise until you perspire, and then you've had a good session. You will then secrete endorphins, which are healthy to improve your health and your well-being, as well as improving heart and brain health. Colon cancer is caused by eating a great deal of processed foods, so-called deli foods, as well as a low vitamin D. In order to prevent colon cancer, you should eat a high fiber diet, or previously it was called roughage, and take a minimum of 5,000 units of vitamin D. Eating chicken is purported to reduce the incidence of colon cancer. Brisk walking improves brain function and can also reduce the incidence of dementia and Alzheimer's disease. Oranges and lemons reduce the risk of stroke. A study was done where 25% of females who drank coffee had a reduction of stroke. In other words, the patients or the study subjects who drank coffee had a 25% less incidence of stroke as opposed to those who did not drink coffee. Obesity. One of the causes is a decrease in amount of sleep that you get at night, because what happens, you can't sleep, you go down to the pantry or the kitchen and eat something, and this results in obesity. Eating 5 portions of different fruit and vegetables reduces the stroke risk. The darker the intensity of the vegetable or fruit, the better it is, because it's filled with antioxidants. Coffee and green tea protects the heart, and has anti-diabetes and anti-cancer effect. Drinking 4 cups of green tea reduces a female's incidence of breast cancer and a male's incidence of prostate cancer. There is absolutely no credible evidence that proves that coconut oil is beneficial for health. Soy is a good source of protein, and it can protect your heart against insult. We have now found in recent studies that anything that is heart healthy is also brain healthy. A low-fat diet reduces the risk of breast cancer, prostate, and ovarian cancer. Vitamin K is necessary for bone health, as is calcium and vitamin D. Sufficient vitamin D and beta-carotene can protect you against declining lung function amongst many. Sufficient beans are a good source of fiber and protein and is heart disease protective. If you have recurrent leg cramps, try drinking sugar-free tonic water. Fatty fish and adequate vitamin D protects against kidney cancer. Multiple studies have proved that ginkgo biloba does not improve your memory and does not protect against weight loss. Weightlifting is a protective against osteoporosis and helps decrease the incidence thereof in females, as well as decreasing belly fat. Fiber and whole grains acts as a plaque fighter and reduces the incidence of arterial blockage. The Mediterranean diet is extremely beneficial for heart, brain, and memory. Reduces the risk of Alzheimer's. A recent study has shown, in fact, that in the Mediterranean diet, what is the most important healthy product? And it was found out through many studies, nutritional and otherwise, that it is the olive oil in the Mediterranean diet that was protective. One should eat at least 5 small portions of food per day, and that keeps the metabolism active and leads to weight loss. Thus, not eating during the day and then gorging yourself at night increases the incidence of obesity, leading to diabetes, heart disease, etc. The higher the vitamin D level is, the less of a chance there is of developing cancer. Many cancers have been shown to begin as a result of a low vitamin D. We suggest you have 5,000 units of vitamin D once a day, vitamin D3, once a day after your main meal, and then have your blood test done after at least 2 months, because oftentimes the 5,000 is insufficient. While the normal amount is 30 to 100, it has been shown that to prevent heart disease and cancer, the amount should be around 45. There are many more tips that I can give you, but these are the salient, important ones. And another saying that I have is, you can do it not because it's hard, but because it's easy. My name is Dr. Hillel Mazansky, and I thank you for listening to this health tip. My website is drdoctormedicalhypnosis.com for your personal health hypnosis video. Thank you.